If you're wondering what sliding tummy time is, it's exactly what it sounds like. It's your baby on the ground sliding around on their tummy. In this video, I'm going to share with you a couple of different exercises and techniques that you can use to help your baby who is able to tolerate being on their tummy to get moving while they're on their tummy. If you're new to the channel, my name is Cherrick. I've been a pediatric physical therapist for well over 20 years. The purpose of this channel is to provide a place where parents and caregivers can get evidence-based practices that they can use to lay their hands on their babies and in fact help their babies to start moving. Remember, early movement means early brain development. I like to call this move the tummy time pivot because what you're going to do is have your baby on their tummy in a onesie. As you can see, I have this baby in a onesie, and baby will be able to use their arms and their legs to pivot on their tummy and start moving around in a circle. What you want to do is make sure that baby is able to go to the right side and then rotate himself to the left side. The next activity is called weight bearing on forearms. And what you're going to do is put your baby on the couch or on the ground if you have a little exercise mat that you can put baby on, and bring baby's forearms under his shoulder so that baby can start bearing his weight on his shoulder, on his forearms, so that he can begin initiating what's called a commando crawl, where baby is essentially crawling forward on their forearms and while kicking their legs. Another great activity that you can do with your baby at this point is to put baby on their back and start helping baby to roll from their back to their tummy while reaching for a toy. What you want to do is make sure that the toy is above baby's head and off to one side, like you see in the image, so that baby can look up, look at the toy, track the toy with their eyes, and start reaching for the toy with their hand and rolling themselves over onto their tummy from their back. You want to make sure that you're doing this to both sides of baby's body, where baby's rolling from the right side to the left and from the left side to the right. Another great activity that you can do with your baby at this point is to put baby on their back and start helping baby to roll from their back to their tummy while reaching for a toy. What you want to do is, if you have any topics that you'd like me to cover, drop a comment down below and let me know, and I will certainly do it. Also, hit that notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I drop another video coming at you really soon. Like, comment, subscribe. Thank you, my friends.